So, you're looking for white glove service, or simply a helping hand to import, calculate, and report your crypto income on your taxes. Let me tell you, you're not alone. I'm Ben, one of the leaders of our tax services here at CoinLedger, where we have helped thousands of people just like you get their crypto taxes done completely stress-free. In this video, we're going to walk through what you can expect from our Done For You crypto tax service and showcase each step of the process. So, what is Done For You? CoinLedger Done For You is for anyone who doesn't want to DIY their crypto taxes. Whether your transaction history is complex and spread across dozens of exchanges and wallets, or if you simply just want someone to do it all for you, we're here to help. When you sign up for Done For You, you'll be paired with a dedicated CoinLedger expert who will handle every step of the process for you. We'll reconcile your data and generate your tax reports, all while being available for one-on-one customer support around the clock, including virtual consultation calls. Better yet, all this can be done for a fraction of what it costs to hire an accountant. Let's show you how you can get started. If you're interested in Done For You, the first step to getting started is filling out our questionnaire to give us a better understanding of your crypto transaction history. From our website or from within the CoinLedger app, click on Done For You and then select Get Started. Next, you'll want to complete the questionnaire fully. It's important to provide as much information on your crypto transaction history as possible so that our team can determine if Done For You is a good fit for your needs. After the questionnaire has been completed, our team will review your responses and follow up if we have any additional questions. Make sure you're available via email to look out for those. Once our team has finished reviewing your account, we'll send you an initial estimate of how long it will take to complete the entire Done For You process. Most Done For You accounts will be completed within 4 to 8 hours. Done For You is priced at $300 per hour. If you accept the estimate our team sends you, the next step will be completing a prepayment of $600, which covers the first 2 hours of work on your account. This is necessary to begin the Done For You process. Once this prepayment has been completed, we'll begin reconciling your data. And we'll follow up with you before our 2 hours of work is up to confirm if our initial estimate was correct and if you'd like to continue. Now, our team's favorite part of the Done For You process begins. Once you've completed the prepayment for your account, we will begin reconciling your data. We like to kick off this process with a virtual consultation call where we can discuss your goals, go over your imported transaction history data, and answer any questions you may have. While virtual consults are optional, we find that they are the most efficient way to reconcile your account. Our first objective is to make sure all of your imports are complete. If you're missing any transaction history data, we'll guide you through the process of finding it. This may look like us requesting your blockchain wallet addresses and transaction history files, which we will then import into your account on your behalf. If you prefer to import your data via API, you'll need to complete this step. But we can walk you through the process during our virtual consultation. Finally, if you use a wallet or exchange we don't have a native integration with yet, we'll import all of your transactions into your account manually, saving you hours of time spent working with spreadsheets. Throughout this entire process, we ask that you remain available via email to answer our team's questions, as we'll likely have a few for you. And this ensures that your account is completed as smoothly as possible. After we've verified that all of your imports are up to date, we'll begin combing through your entire account to ensure that your data is correctly categorized and classified. This includes reviewing all of your transactions to ensure that they are classified properly, resolving historical price warnings, identifying and resolving the root causes of missing cost basis data, and matching together any missing trades, transfers, or bridges. We will also meticulously review each of your transactions and compare them to the blockchain to ensure that they are represented correctly in our software. For example, for this user, we had to merge together some missing bridge and trade transactions. We also noticed that some of their transactions were imported as uncategorized. So to resolve this, we reviewed each of their transactions on the blockchain and tracked the flow of their assets to identify the correct classification for them. Additionally, we manually corrected some of their deposit transactions into income events. We also resolved their historical price warnings, which are caused when CoinLedger does not know the price of your assets. Using tools like CoinGecko and other in-house solutions, we manually corrected these warnings. Finally, another pressing issue for this user were their missing cost basis warnings. We noticed that this user was missing important pieces of their transaction history, which were inflating their capital gains. Using our troubleshooting tools, we checked each asset that was missing its cost basis and determined if this was caused by missing data or incorrectly classified transactions. Ultimately, we needed to import some missing data and correct some inaccurate transactions. Through our work, we saved this user countless hours spent combing through their data. And the best part is, we accomplished all of this in just an afternoon. When you work with our Done For You team, you can have full confidence that our experts will handle your crypto taxes with accuracy and care. Finally, once we've finished reconciling your account, the last stage of the Done For You process is generating your tax reports. To make sure that your Done For You is ready to be wrapped up, we'll first double check that you have no uncategorized transactions or warnings remaining on your account, and that your portfolio tracker balances match those in each of your wallets. If there are no remaining warnings on your account, and if your portfolio balances are correct, This means we are ready to conclude our work. After wrapping up our work, we'll reach out and share your capital gains figures with you. This can be done over email or chat, but we can also jump on a virtual consultation call to review your capital gains as well as all the work we did on your case. Here, we'll go over your capital gains or losses as well as any crypto income you earned for the year, and make sure that your tax settings, such as your cost basis method, are configured to your liking. After that, we'll send you your final invoice. This invoice encompasses all of the work our team of professionals has performed on your account, including the detailed reconciliation of your crypto transaction history, the generation of your tax reports, and all of the communications and consultations we had with you along the way. Remember that you already paid for 2 hours of work with your $600 prepayment, which means that this final invoice represents the remaining number of hours our team worked on your case. Once you've paid your final invoice, we'll unlock your tax reports and send each of them to you or your tax professional. And if you file with a service like TurboTax, we'll send over detailed instructions on how to complete that process. While our Done For You team cannot file your tax return for you, we do have a team of tax professionals in-house that can. You can find more information about this in the description of this video. All right, everyone, that was the CoinLedger Done For You process from start to finish. Thank you for watching this video. As a reminder, you can get started with your Done For You today by filling out our questionnaire, which we've linked in the description of this video. Spots on our Done For You calendar are limited and are going fast as we approach the tax season, so we do encourage you to get started with yours as soon as possible. We look forward to working with you, and have a great day.